Hi guys! This is just a really quick tip showing how we can expose a property to the inspector in the same way as a field. Let's say we had a private field for the speed of a character. If we wanted to be able to set this in the inspector, we would add the serialized field attribute. If we save this and switch to Unity, we can see the value in the inspector. If we then decided that we wanted to be able to read this value from another script, we could change the field to a public property with a private setter. This means that other scripts can read the value, but only this script can set the value. We still want to be able to set it from the inspector, so we'll leave the serialized field attribute. If we save this and switch back to Unity, we can see that the value is no longer visible in the inspector. To fix this, we need to target the backing field of the property. We can do this by using the field keyword in the attribute. Now if we save it and switch back to Unity, we can see it in the inspector again. Okay, that covers everything for this video. A big thank you to all our patrons. We really appreciate you helping to support the channel. If you'd like to help and also get access to the source code, you can find details in the description. Please leave any questions or feedback in the comments, and subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Thanks guys!